Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Talent Tutorials. In the previous video, we have seen about the new database components in Talent, that is nothing but TDB connection as well as TDB commit, which tells us about how to open a connection using one separate component and how to use that particular component in other database connections. And similarly, I have also explained about how to commit the changes that you have done on the databases using the TDB commit component. Now in this video I am going to explain about two more components related to the databases. Those are nothing but T post job as well as TDB close, which are used to close the connection which you have used multiple times. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what we done is we have inserted the data here. Now simply what I am doing is I am deleting the data here again. Okay, and again I am deleting, so no data is here. Now what I am doing is, here we have two types of closing the connection. Whenever you gets executed this TDB output, you can use here in the TDB commit component, we have a connection, we have a option here to close the connection. If you don't want to use that connection later after this TDB commit, then you can use close connection here itself. But sometimes what happens is, suppose you need to do a lot of things, like for one row you are, for 1 dB you are doing it for inserting, and for another dB you are doing it for updating, and again another dB you are doing it for updating. And whenever this first TDB output will gets executed, then whenever this component successfully gets executed, then corresponding TDB commit will gets executed. Then if you enable the TDB close connection here, then for the rest of the TDB components it won't get executed, so it automatically closes the connection. So it might affect the other two components to update the data into the corresponding DB, so automatically it will throw an error. So in such type of cases, what we normally do is, in the TDB components we uncheck these close connections, and then we will create two more components here without any connections. So the first component is state post job connection. So it doesn't need anything. Whenever the main subjob gets completed, then it will gets run. So along with that, once it is completed, we need to use another component called as TDB close. So these are the two components needed. Here we need some configuration for TDB close as well. So one thing is we need to specify what is the type of database that is, and then the component list. Here the component list is TDB close. So what it will do is, it will select the Postgres SQL as a database, and it will close the connection what we opened in the previous connections. And once this job gets once this component will gets executed, and if you want to write if you want to use that TDB output TDB output with the connection using TDB connection after this TDB close, then it won't get executed, because we are closing the connection here with this subjob, and I am connecting this T post subjob with TDB close. So there is no connection with the above subjob and the below subjob. So once this above subjob gets completely executed, then I want this to execute. That means once your complete job gets executed, then only you are going to execute this T post job and TDB close. That means until you are running the main job, like main subjob, you are having the connection as open while unchecking this TDB commit here, while unchecking the close connection here. So while executing the above subjob, your connection will be in open condition, and you can use any times in the above condition, like any times when you want. And once that is completed, then we are without any connection. Once the above subjob gets connected, and then it will gets executed this T post job, and then followed by TDB close, and here the TDB connection will gets closed, and later on it won't be effective to use the TDB connection in the TDB output components or TDB input components. So this is the main schema that we have. to close the connection here. So these are the two components that we have for closing the database connections. So I am running it. See if I am running it, yeah, data gets executed. So if you observe this, once it is completed, then here it is showing it as status as OK. Now I am checking it here in the DB whether the data gets, yeah, here the data is also inserted. So these are the two more components present in the related to the database in Talend. Those are nothing but tpostjob and tdb close to close the connection, and tdb connection is for opening the connection, tdb commit is for committing the connection, tdb input and tdb output are for getting the data from database and putting the data into the database. So these are about the component, many more components in the database. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.